Guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Naomi. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So in today's video we are going to be doing a protective style. We are going to be doing mini twist. So mini twists are but haven't recently been my favorite. I used to do mini twists all the time when I was like in middle school and high school. That was probably a style that I did pretty much every week. And if I wasn't doing that, I was doing a crown braid. But I want to get back to me doing my protective styles that I typically would do. And also I did them a lot when I had my tapered cut, and I would just kind of wrap my hair and just leave my hair alone. And that's how I saw my hair was growing. So I want to get back to that. This year is about growth. So we're going to be doing some protective styles. Currently my hair is somewhat, this is day 2 hair of a wash and go. If you haven't seen my Emerge hair care review, then you'll know where this came from. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. It'll be in the cards. Also, yeah, so my hair isn't dirty or anything like that. So just in case, make sure you guys watch the review to understand what I'm saying. But my hair isn't dirty from like the hard gel. The gel that I used was pretty soft, and it was more like a moisturizing gel rather than like a gel that will flake on you. So I'm going to be doing some mini twist on my hair. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below. And if you're not new here, hey girl, hey. And yeah, let's hop into this video. You guys, I picked up these cute little satin scrunchies. They're super cute. I got these from TJ Maxx for $5, and it comes with 8 of them. So these are like little satin scrunchies, and they're super cute. So I'm gonna use maybe 2 of them today just to top my hair. Using the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk styling pudding. I'm going to be using my favorite moisturizer, Shea Butter. And then I'm also going to use some vitamin E oil, but that'll be just for like my scalp and a little bit on my ends, just to give a little bit more nourishment. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to apply all the product to that one section first, and then just start my twist. Now I'm just going to section my hair into like really small pieces, about this big, and I'm just going to go ahead and start twisting my hair. I don't really have an idea of how big I want to do these. Honestly, I might do them small-ish. And for the ends, I'm just going to twirl them. I'm just going to twirl my ends so you guys see that. Wow. I'm also going to be giving myself a trim with these twist ends. That's how I typically kind of like to do sorry, I don't know why I can't. That's typically how I like to do my trims if I'm doing a trim on myself. Usually if it's in like braids or if it's in twist, I will twirl my ends, and whatever curl that looks a little limp, I will cut off myself with my own shears.
Purchase your tracks today.
So I'm pretty much done with my twist. It took me 2.5 hours to do these. I started at 7 and I think it's like 9:30 now. But these are my twists. When I was a kid, I loved this hairstyle. Like, my mom would do it, wake up Saturday morning, do my hair and twist, and I love twists. They feel completely, look really good, guys. Really good. I'm impressed, like I always am, but I love doing like protective styles for the week so that way I don't have to do my hair. I was going to cut my ends in this video, but it is late and I'm really tired and I need to do some work. So in another video, I will be trimming my ends in the twist. So make sure you guys look out for that. See you guys in my next one. Peace, love, and stay beautiful.